these sticks are great for when you have your toddler learning how to swim. You throw it, it has these little holes. Idea, right? It has these little holes, and you throw it and it sinks straight. So then put on your goggles, and there you go. It goes down there. Picks it up. Hey! And then she throws it further. She goes and looks for it. And that way they get confident and they get a reward every time that they pick up this. It's a good learning device for your kids when they're starting to learn how to swim so that they get confident in the water. See his face hanging up, hanging up. Dale, get it. Nice. Oh, get it, get it. Yeah.